Okay, right now, here's all the things we need. This is a ESP32. I don't know the exact price, but the cost is tripled. I bet you could get one of them in Amazon in less than $10. Here, this is a, DHT11 sensor. Some people might think the accuracy of this sensor might be a problem, but in general, I think this sensor could fit your needs. The performance of this sensor is decent. Definitely, you could use this sensor to generate the temperature and humidity data from your surroundings and transfer this data to your database. Okay, right now this is this is a breadboard. We're going to insert all the components into this breadboard. Here are some the jump wires. We're going to use these jump wires to connect the ESP32 and the DHT11 sensor. Okay, right now I have put this ESP32 and the DHT11 sensor into this breadboard, connecting these two components with my jump wires. In these videos, I won't dive into the technical details, including explaining the pinouts of ESP32 and my MicroPython coding. In these videos, all you need to do is that I have put everything into their positions, and more details would be bring out in my next a few videos. Okay, next I'm going to burn MicroPythons into this device. Okay, here comes the final part of this video. In this video, I'm going to show the final results of my small projects. Well, you can see in here I'm showing my data collecting from my ESP32 and DHT11 sensor using local studios. Although I'm not going to dive into the coding details of my project in these videos, but I'm going to tell you how my code works. All right. Okay. First, my ESP32 would collect the temperature and humidity data in every 5 minutes. And after collecting this information, it would transfer this information to a MQTT broker. And then after getting this information from the MQTT broker, I got myself a Linux server. The Linux server would put this temperature and humidity data in one of my database. In this project, I use MariaDBs, but if you want, you could get yourself a MySQL or any database supported by the local studios. Next, I'm going to show you how you can create a free dashboard using local studios. All right. First, let's go to the main page of the local studios. In here, you can create a report or data source. There are many different kind of data source. Let's take a look at this data source. Let's take a look at the data source supported by the local studios. You can see there are tons of data sources supported by the local studios. In my project, I use MariaDB. Or you could use MySQL. Okay. Next, after selecting the data source you want to connect, you just click one of them, and then you input your host name or IP, the port of your database, and the database you want to use, and the username and the password, blah blah blah. And after that, you just authenticate, right? And then when you get back to your local studios, you can see the data source. In here, you can see this is my data source. And after adding a data source, you can create a report. Okay. And it will pop up because the report would require you to connect data, right? In here, you could select the data source you have created. You add the data source to the reports. Okay, right here, right now, you can create your dashboard. But in these videos, I would not go deep into uh, the, how to create a beautiful or how to create a decent dashboard using local studios. Perhaps in the next a few videos, uh, I would do that. Now let's get back to the dashboard I have created for my project. Okay, you can see in here's the final results of my small projects, and I think that's the end of this videos. In the next a few videos, I'm going to provide more details of my about my codings and the technical backgrounds you would need to finish this small project. All right. Okay. I guess I would see you next time.